Asian giant hornets are the biggest on Earth, able to kill humans. But their nests are full of larvae. Irresistible to oriental honey buzzards. The hornets swarm in defense. But now, with the nest open, more honey buzzards move in. Each making off with all the larvae they can grab. A raptor with a death wish, maybe. But there's more to the honey buzzard than meets the eye. They're built to battle killer prey. And not just hornets, but bees too. While they feast on honeycomb, uniquely shaped feathers work like body armor. So the bees can't land a sting. A special membrane protects their eyes. And there's even evidence of chemical warfare. A strange substance covers their feathers, which may act as a deterrent during their death-defying raids.